welcome back to Rachel and Bella Crafts. Rachel here, hope you're all well. So I have come today to do the requested, and I will say requested, flip through of the Boho Journal. So as you can see, I made the cover with you, the outside cover. So if you want to know how I did this, it's a few videos back, different layers of different fabrics. But I'm really pleased with it, and I love this trim here, so it was really nice to have an opportunity to use that. On the front here, I have put just one of these little clips. I have literally just clipped that on, just like a little hook round clip thing. There we go, and it just clips on over the ribbon, and then you undo the ribbon, and then that just comes away then. And if you want to take it off, you can. And if you can take them apart as two different journals, you can. Covers I'm really pleased with. They're very eclectic, very different to each other. Lots of different layers and things on there. But because I've used this lace here from that cloth, it gives it a bit of continuity. So I'm going to do the flip throughs separately because it's just a bit easier. So this is the first one. I love these beads on here as well. I think they're just gorgeous. Really, really pleased with the cover of this. Really pleased. So as you come into the first section, I've popped the paper bag in that we made. Remember we did that? We did the covering. And I've got a journal card in there with just a nice big long boho-y tassel. I've stitched around the edge. And then just added some stickers, and then I've used some of my stamped coffee dye paper on the back of that. We've got a little cluster on here. Love this page. It's probably the most common page I saw, I think, throughout the collaboration, was people using that page, which was nice to see. So, but they are quite striking, aren't they, these ladies? And I've got an old book page in there. Then I just put some washi tape on there, and I've added a little bit of a lace decal thing on there with some buttons stuck on. Got a little ruffle on there again with our lovely stenciled coffee dye paper. Remember we did a tutorial on that out in the garden. That was a lot of fun. My little door, and I've got the same lady here and here. That's okay. I'm quite happy to have her in both places. This is a journal card. Oh no, it's not. That's a pocket. I'm telling fibs. It's not a journal card. That's a pocket there, and I've put a little cluster over the top. But you can pop something down inside of there. Also love this page as well. And interestingly, this page almost looks as if the ink has like leaked onto that page there. Obviously it hasn't, but I'm really chuffed at the colour matching, because that purple in there, it really pulls it out, I feel. I've stitched the edges of these pages as well. We've got a lovely belly band under here. A little short page there, and I've done some stitching. We've got another door here, which is just held in place by this little charm. And we've got our elephants hiding behind there. So tuck that back there, and then live a life full of creativity and adventure. And I've stuck that lovely decorative charm on there. A little bit of a writing page there, and then you've got our page of books and literary behind here. One of our stamp pages. I like that. I really like how that turned out. And another one stamping. And this then is a colouring page out of a colouring page full of mandalas. So I put that in there. I'm sniffing because I can smell burning, but it's all right. They're cooking downstairs. I'm not sure if that's a good thing or not. Writing page from the kit. This is one of the pockets that we did. So I've just popped in lots of little bits and pieces in there. There's a little pocket in the front. And then we've got some bits of ephemera in here. This page is out of the Bohemian Rhapsody kit. How cute is that elephant? I love him. Cute little elephant. And then we've got a writing page here. This page is out of the, not the Edith Holden one, the other one, the diary one. I can't think what it's called now. There's a little ruffle on there. Ruffle on here. This one's out of the Eastern Promise kit. A nice ledger page, another nice stencil page. This is a tuck spot with a journaling card, and that's just a big giant cluster. That was our bit of texture paste that we did on some old music paper. This is an old book page with a cluster on, and then I've put a pocket on the back here with a little journal card in there. Another ruffle here. Centre page. Then we've got a little tuck spot there, and a little butterfly there. That is also a nice little tuck spot, actually not quite a deep pocket there. And here, and then this here then is a paper clip, hidden paper clip, and then this comes out. And remember when we did these? And then you should have writing spot. There we go. So I like that. I think that's really nice. Then we've got Eastern Promise page, back of the book page, a little ruffle, writing page, and then here we've got a journal card backed with an old book page, and then under here we've got a fabric flip. So you've got hidden writing space there. Pop her in the front, and then that just keeps that down. And then if you open it, you've got then little tuck spots in here, and then there's a large pocket behind as well. And this is an old book page out of like a really old kind of bohemian style book. I love it. That's just a bit of fabric that I've stuck on there, boho fabric. Lovely little cluster, and a journal card. I've just stuck that butterfly on there. Fabric flip. I love this piece of fabric. This is one of my favourite scraps of fabric out of my boho fabrics. I've just put a bit of lace on there with those lovely elephants. A little bit of a hidden writing spot there. There's also a little tuck space under there, so you could tuck something under there. That's one of those like long cluster things that we did. And I've just stuck that one that way. It's another nice journaling card there. And there's also a pocket in there as well. And then on the back of here, I've put that twisty waterfall-y style tag. And if you want to turn them over, then you can write obviously on the backs of these. And then they all close up together like so. Cluster there, little ruffle there. This is our other book. No, they're not book pages. What is it? Door. There we go. Oops. Ta-da! I love those elephants and the butterfly. And then we just turn those little flags around then to cover them over. And then that one goes around there like so. I've just added a bit of trim on the bottom of there. There's a little tuck spot, and then I've just folded this as a bit of writing paper. It's just an extra bit of journaling space, and then you've got this pocket tag going on here with all these little bits of ephemera in, and there's also a large pocket behind that as well. Book page, the negative of a stencil, got a tag in there. And we have got a multi-pocket here. I shouldn't pull that. Oh, there we go. We've got bits in there. And then some words down here. And then I think with a ruffle, and then I've put this pocket in the back then that I made out of some blind samples a little while ago. But I really liked that, and I thought the colours went nicely. And I've put 2 tags in the butterfly ones, of course. So that is the first signature. And then I'm going to take a little pause a minute and let you have a look at the giveaway to see who's won the kits from the giveaway we did earlier in the week. So make sure you come back and watch the second part. Okay, so we had a giveaway video done earlier in the week, and you had to just leave a comment and tell me at what point you saw my gift from my son that he brought me back from holiday appear in the video. And it was, you were quite right, it was my little pink gonk, my little gnome. Isn't he cute? So let's see how many of you got the answer right. Okay, let's just take off. Yeah, we've done that. We need to do the sum. Oh my goodness, nothing more nerve-wracking than on A. Oh, 215. My goodness, that's a lot of. Okay, are you ready? Who's the winner? Couldn't have done that if I tried. Oh my word! Let's pick another winner. It's me. I had to put a comment up because some of you have been spammed. I couldn't believe it. I can't believe it's just done there. That's unbelievable. Right, let's try again. Anybody but Rachel Crafts. Oh, there we go. Femke, congratulations. And yes, you've got it right. It was 10:43. I would have given it to anyone who'd said anywhere between 10:43 and 10:45. But well done you. Can you please message me on our Etsy shop and tell me, so have a look on the shop first, choose 3 kits that you'd like, and then tell me which ones they are in the message to me on our Etsy shop, so you know you're speaking to me then if you message me on there. I will never ever use any other way to let you guys know that you've won a giveaway other than like this, because I like you to see the drawer, and as you can see, it doesn't always go to plan, but that doesn't matter. You see it all, and not only that, but you know then it's genuine and it's not some scam or spam or what have you. So congratulations, Femke. Okay, back to the, what are we doing? Flip through. Okay, congratulations. I hope you're excited. Don't forget to drop me a message. Right, let's have a look at the second signature then. So on the front of the second signature, I've got this lovely trim on here. I was actually sent in a lovely bit of Happy Mail I had last month. And then in here, this is all pink. This one's the front, that one's all blue, this one's all pink. So I've put a cardstock pocket in the front there with a lovely journal card in the front of there. And then we've got a little cluster at the front there and a ruffle. And then I have got a snippet roll thing, like long cluster, a tag and some extra bits of ephemera shoved in the front of there. And then on the top of this page, we have got one of our little notelets that we made. Remember, we made these out of the envelopes out of the kit. So that just sits over the top of there like that. And it's, I think that looks really cool on there. We've got another one of those colour me mandulas. We've got another cluster tuck. I just popped those in there like so. One of our stencil pages. We've got another journal card here with a pocket, and then another pocket on the other side with a little cluster on it. Butterfly stickers on these. We've got a little pocket there with a little journaling spot, and this is the it was an envelope that I made. I did this one last autumn when we were first doing boho, so you'd open that and write in there. And that's got some lovely boho laces on there, so that just sits over the top. And I was tucking it in behind there so it doesn't flop about. There we go. Edith Holden page. Got a lovely side tuck under there. This, oh, that was in there. That's right. So this is a pocket tag that we did. So we've got some bits of ephemera in there. And that does sit inside there like that. Lovely page out the kit. Got another one of these lovely big pockets stuffed full of lots of bits of ephemera. Got a little fairy page there. We have got a page out the Eastern Promise kit. Got a nice big deep pocket there with a tag. And then we've got a tuck and another pocket tag. So if you remember, I used the little envelopes out of the kit to make these pocket tag things. So that just sits in there like that. A stencil page. We've got another envelope here. This is out of the Medici kit, but I think they all cross over quite nicely. Lovely vintage magazine page there. Vintage book page. Oh, I love this. Gorgeous pocket and a nice tag in there. And then you've got a little tuck spot under there as well. This is our lovely ticket notebook that we did the other day with the belly band, do you remember? Oh, I think that's lovely. So that just pops down in there like that. And then that sits in the middle like that. Then we've got a flip here with some texture paste. Book page with a pocket tag. There's little multiple pockets in there. A little tuck spot, writing space, journal card, and a book page tuck. We've got our larger pockets here that we did in the video. Back of the fairy page, little cluster, a bit more texture paste. Edith Holden. Ooh. Bohemian Rhapsody page. Love that page. That's beautiful. Those flowers. We've got another old book page with, actually this is embossed with some texture paste on it. It's a nice little flip. Old music paper pocket with a pocket tag again. Love it. Now a pretty lady with another bit of fabric on the end of there. Got another large pocket here, which is backed with stenciled, put that side in actually, stenciled paper, a little fan on there, and then we've got another one of those envelopes that, like the one I showed you earlier with the paper clip, And then the last page, we have got this beautiful tag. So there we go. That is our boho journal. So I hope you like it. I'm really pleased with it. I do have 2 more pieces of ruffle to go on. I'm going to just add those to the back pages a little later and let them dry. But I didn't want to put them on and then be closing the book up, you know. But yeah, I don't think I'm going to get much more in that. I think it's going to be too bulky. So I'm not going to be putting this in my Etsy shop. I'm going to put it on my Ko-fi shop. So if anybody is interested, I know somebody did message me on Instagram earlier in the month. So I will just let you know it's going up for sale. I'm going on holiday on Friday. So if you do purchase it and you want it, I can only post up till Friday. So I'm on Saturday. I can only post up till Friday, and then it'll be a week you'll have to wait because I won't be here. I'm having a week off. Yes. So yeah, so I will put it up onto our coffee shop now this evening. So if you are interested, please do go and check it out. And I will be back in the next video, hopefully, to show you the other finished boho journal. And I've got a couple of other things in store for you. So have a lovely evening. Thank you for joining me for my flip through. And I will be back. See you very soon. Take care now. Bye-bye.